Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. Are you plugged into a metaverse ready business? This is a very important question as I've really been plugged into this landscape for a while. What I mean by a metaverse ready business is a business that's automated, that gives you the opportunity to truly plug it into the metaverse and allow the system to do the heavy lifting for you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. So a metaverse business, okay, there's many different businesses out there, and they're going to need to find a strategy of how to move into this buzzword place called the metaverse. If you don't know what it is, I'm not going to spend this video talking about it, but if you know what VR is, virtual reality, augmented reality, if you know what NFTs are, then you'll understand. If you don't, just research NFTs, research augmented reality, research virtual reality, and also research metaverse. So many people have their own definition of it, but I'm also going to leave a link to the definition which I go by. So this business has been my go-to business for earning instant Bitcoin commissions, okay? And it has earned me instant Bitcoin commissions since September 2017. So this business is what I would call a metaverse ready business, okay? And what I mean by that is that when you have this system, you plug into this franchise, just like you would have an actual real franchise business. This is a digital franchise business, and in this digital franchise business, you can share this, do your marketing, share it with people, do what you need to do, and get paid in instant Bitcoin commissions. Okay, instant Bitcoin commissions you can get from sharing this opportunity. I've been saying to people for a very long time, get the right automated system and you won't need any other business. Okay, get the right automated system and learn how to share this and you won't have any problems. Now, this system being fully automated and having the opportunity to plug into it, with it sending out emails on your behalf, sending out presentations on your behalf, there being a step-by-step of how this works, the commission plan and everything that is needed is inside here. When you plug into this business and you have this franchise, you're going to be able to plug in your links that you get from this system into any metaverse, in any metaverse. And I believe there's only one metaverse, which is all of them together interconnected. But for the sake of what you've heard from probably Facebook and talking about Meta and all this, I'll say any metaverse, okay? You can plug in your links to your automated system to any metaverse, and people who are frequenting these metaverses, whether it's augmented reality, virtual reality, or wherever, they're going to be able to access this through avatars or through links or through products on the screen or around them in augmented reality. Okay, so this is an amazing opportunity where people are going to be able to plug into this business in the metaverse. So, for example, let me click on my link here. Let me just make sure it goes to my correct link. Take the HTTPS. So this link. So for example, this link. Just for example, say there's this plane. See this plane in this video. Say in one of the virtual worlds out there, there is a massive plane like this that says TAS on it, and it's in the sky. Somebody will be able to click on that plane, interact with that plane, and if they click on it, they get taken to this page. Can you imagine? This is where the metaverse is taking you. And this is metaverse ready because it does all of the automated transactions, payments, and all of that automated inside the system. So all you need to do is plug in your link and connect it to any avatar, connect it to any product in the metaverse, and you're going to be able to get sales and leads from people interacting with your NFTs or anything like that. So I want people to understand what we have here and what's going to be happening, especially on my side with regards to this amazing system. Okay, it's called this automated system, and you can plug into it for a minimum of $97 all the way up to $50,000, $100,000, and you can get paid up to $50,000. This system is metaverse ready, And in the months and years to come, you're going to see how NFTs are going to be utilized in order to get bonuses for what I'm doing here with this automated system. Okay, I want people to truly understand the power of this automated system. Okay, if you want to learn more, go to wealthconglomerate.com, enter your name and email address, come in here, watch this video. Very, very good video here that is powerful. Look at this. This is power right here. I want people to understand the power of what we have here. Can you imagine having these NFTs? Powerful. I'm gonna stop it right here. So if you want to watch more and you want to learn more, go to wealthconglomerate.com, enter your name and email address here, watch those videos. It will explain to you this whole business and how you can get started with this business. Okay, Metaverse ready business, fully automated, pays out in Bitcoin and Tron. It's been paying since September 2017 without fail. You can see on the top left here, it shows the updates with people being paid and what people are doing inside the system. Absolutely incredible business, absolutely incredible owner, and absolutely incredible structure. If you want to plug into something that is Metaverse ready right now, an online marketing franchise that people can have, you can actually have. You don't have to actually have any physical products. It's all digital, and you can share it with your people. If you don't know how to do it, we've got inside all the information you need to know to actually share this. You actually got scripts, swipes that you can actually use to share with your social media. We've actually got presentations, product PDFs. We've got the compensation plan. You've got everything needed to catapult your business to the next level. Okay, commissions down 3 levels, bonuses, PowerPoint presentations, testimonials, you name it. It's all here. And it's Metaverse ready. Anyways, people, thanks for listening to this video. Thanks for watching me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.